Today, we are learning English while taking a tram ride. A woman is standing at the tram stop, waiting for a tram to arrive. The tram arrives. Here, you can see an information board. People are waiting for the tram and chatting. They are sitting on the bench at the tram stop. Tram number 6 slowly pulls up to the stop. The doors open and passengers get off the tram. They get off the tram. Other passengers get on the tram. They get on the tram. The doors close and the tram departs. A woman is buying an adult ticket. You can find a ticket machine either at the tram stop or on the tram. A woman validates her ticket. There are several ticket validators on the tram. To travel by tram, you need to have a valid ticket. The train moves along the street. Passengers are sitting in the seats. There are plenty of seats on the tram. Some passengers or commuters are sitting, while others are standing. You can hear many announcements on the tram, such as the announcement of the next stop. The next stop is Billabong Street. Passengers are waiting patiently for their stop so they can get off. Thank you for learning with me today.